Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product, and this is the LED deformable lamp. The company is QiMH, so QiMH, right? And I got it on Amazon and it's $30, right? I just needed something for my garage that I can, light up and hopefully it be bright enough. So I decided to get this. I'm not really sure. I mean, I have tested it. I do have one of these also before that I have bought, right? And so I just decided to get this one, and so maybe just do a quick review on it. All right. So the specs for this is it is advertised as a garage light, right? So let me just, while I'm saying that, let me just get this opened, right? Okay, so it is advertised as a garage light, which is exactly what I'm looking for, right? And it's 6,000 lumens, 60 watts. Okay, so it is pretty bright, and it is specifically designed for indoor use only. There's some more tape. Oh, okay, yeah. I didn't see the tape on the side. So let me just cut this open. So I'm not sure why they have the packaging, this much tape. Don't really think it was necessary, but I guess they didn't want it to get damaged since it is light bulbs. Okay. So this is basically what's included. You guys can see it all. Just move that to the side. This is one item. Here you have the manual, right? The quick installation. This is, I believe, a stand, so you can screw it into your ceiling or wherever. And this is the main thing. This is the bulb, the light, I should say. So this is the main thing that I was looking for. Some lights that are adjustable, so this is what basically exactly what I was looking for, because I don't need something that's exactly just face down. I needed something that is adjustable, so depending on where I am in the garage, I can just move it to that location. Okay, so yeah, I mean, in terms of quality, it does feel really good. I can't really complain about that. And in terms of just look and feel of it, I personally think that it's really good, right? Let me just show you guys what's in this plastic over here. So yeah, that's basically it. It's pretty nice that they do include this. So basically, if you don't have a light bulb holder, you can basically use this to create one. So yeah, I didn't really know that was included, but it is, so that is pretty good. So let me just try plugging this in somewhere, and then we will see if whether this is good or not. Okay, so just 1 second. I am unscrewing one of my bulbs. So you guys can see how bright it is. It did get a lot brighter from before. So I'm really proud of how bright it is. Overall, it seems like a really good product. The light bulbs, the bulbs are LED, right? So they are long lasting. So you wouldn't really need to change it that often, but when they do die, if they do die or if they break, you probably will have to replace the whole thing. So yeah, I got this product on Amazon for $30, right? Just something that I needed. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any question or comments, please leave them down below. I'll leave a link in the description below. Other than that, FNH out.